bit about how to make comparisons with our adjectives and using this rules, okay? First of all, we have to have a look at the word, and we have to see if that word is a short one, it's a small word that only has one or two syllables, or if it is a long word. For example, we have here the word soft and the word hard. Do you think this is a short or a large or big word? What do you think? It's a short one. It only has one syllable. Soft, hard, like big or tall. But if I have 1, 2, 3, this is a long word. Or if I have 1, 2, 3, like colorful, this is a long one. So for the words, the adjectives that are short, we're going to add ER to that word to compare two things. For example, we have here 3 peppers. One is small and it's green. The other one is a little bit bigger than the other one and it's yellow. And the last one is red and it's the biggest of all. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add ER to compare these 3 peppers. Remember the peppers? Yes. Okay. So we're going to add ER to the word small, smaller, to compare it to the other 2. Example. The yellow pepper is smaller than the red pepper. Can you repeat that? The yellow pepper is smaller than the red pepper. Is there any proof here? I can't say that it's smaller than the other. Let's compare to this. Is there any fruit here that is smaller than the watermelon? Yes, which one? Which is smaller? Is this smaller than this one? Yes, good. So the mango is smaller than the watermelon. The grapes are smaller than the watermelon. The red pepper is smaller than the watermelon. Very good. Now I want to compare the 3 of them together, and I'm going to use this tiny grape, and I'm going to compare it with the rest of the fruits. This is the smallest. Very good. So we're going to add EST to compare 3 or more things, okay? When we compare 2, we only add ER. And we will compare more than 2 things, we add EST. Example, the green pepper is the smallest of all. The grape is the smallest of all. And if I want to say the big or the biggest one, what fruit could I have to choose? The watermelon. The watermelon is the biggest fruit of all. Very good. Now we're going to see the ones that are long. We're going to talk now about the adjectives that are long, like tasteful and colorful. We're not going to add ER or EST to the word. We're going to add another word that we're going to put in front of the adjective. That word will be more if I'm going to compare 2. I want to compare these 2. And I want to use the word colorful. Well, this is more colorful, okay? So, let's talk about the watermelon and the mango using the word colorful. Let's compare. The mango is more colorful than the watermelon. Very good. Now, we're going to compare all the fruits together with the mango, okay? And now we're going to say that this is the most colorful. So when I want to compare 2 or more things with a long word, I'm going to say the most and then the adjective. But if I want to compare only 2 things, I'm going to say more than. Very good. Like in the example, it is the most colorful of all. There are some special forms of words that are different and exceptions to the rule. For example, the word good. Good, you're not going to say going to change for another word which is going to be better or the best. Okay? These are